Telnet, short for telecommunication network. This is one of the oldest protocols used for remote terminal access. This protocol allows a user to connect to a remote computer or device over a network. Telnet relies on plain text communication, meaning that all data, including usernames, passwords, and commands, is transmitted without encryption. This means that its lack of security features makes it highly vulnerable to interception and manipulation by malicious actors. On the other hand, SSH is short for Secure Shell. This is a cryptographic network protocol designed to provide secure communication over a network. Unlike Telnet, SSH encrypts all data exchanged between devices. This encryption ensures that sensitive information remains confidential and protected from eavesdropping and tampering. Because of its secure features, SSH has become the standard for secure remote access and system administration in modern computing environments. The primary difference between SSH and Telnet lies in their security mechanisms. I hope you found the video helpful. Remember to use a VPN. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.